So guys, char. Nairegalo si Bana. Yeah. Let's open this knock. Hey, say. Tapinat po, tapinat. So let's open this guys. Okay. Tara. So, gift ni Bana. Let's open it. Ako kayo ba unsa ni? I don't know guys what is this one. Come here, Pinat. Come here. Come here. Come here, Nat. Come here. So, let's open this. Tara. Peanut. Nih, bisa man ni. Anong gigit na ho ni. I saw it. I think you know. Wow, you bought this, huh? Oh! Charang! Yee! Nak, look at that.
That was your anniversary gift.
Ah, anniversary gift. It's too
Because
early.
I was supposed to get you. It was on sale. I couldn't turn it down.
Wala, look at that, oh. Di ba? Oh. It's so nice, Let's open this, guys. Go, ha.
20.
So, open it. Hala, nak. Look at that, nak. Oh. Got two. Got two in here. And then other one also. Thinking I.
Remember, it was supposed to be a
What?
appliance or something.
Yeah.
When I seen it on sale, I said I better not wait until July.
Hello, that's so cute.
Now you can whip her through, honey.
Yeah,
Mix up her
bitaw.
stuff.
Oh, wow. This one is the volume.
Speed,
Oh,
yeah.
speed ba? Speed. I mean speed. So,
Stick them in there. Let's see. Stick them in.
this one first?
Yeah. Put them in.
Char. Ikaw na eh. So, you got guide.
Let me see it. I'll put it in.
Oh, the double for the guys. So this one. That one.
Ah.
Then they got different guys. I need to open this. Tada.
That one's there for, I can't remember what you use that for.
Maybe this one is for the bread if you make some bread.
Yeah, for dough. That's
Dough.
what it's for, yeah.
Yeah, for dough. Lagi bread. Dough.
Okay, plug it in behind you. And then just one little clip to see how it goes.
Yeah, okay. So
Yeah, that's for dough.
yeah, this one is for dough, guys. So let's try. Let's try. Let's try it on. If it's good, how fast it is.
Yeah, see how fast it goes. Alright, cool.
Wait, it's very easy. Wow.
That's right, let's see it. Go up to about 3 or 4. Where you at?
4.
Okay.
That's 5.
It'll work through then.
Yeah. Honey, what about how to replace this?
Just pull it out, but don't keep your finger off the button. Should unplug it first.
That's
Just
ginger.
pull it out.
Pull it out?
Yeah, you'll see the groove. See the
Ah,
little
okay.
grooves on the thing? They slide
Yeah.
into those notches.
Ah. So
There you go.
let's try this, guys.
You can mix them up.
Yay! Thank you, Nee.
Mm-hmm.
So, wait pa. This one is for the dough. Charing.
There you go.
Why this is that one?
Did it go in there
Yeah, I did already.
all the way?
Oh, they get another one. Maybe that's just, I don't know.
Let me
It's the
see.
same other one. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, see? It's in. Oh.
Yeah, it's in.
It's in. Big.
Yeah,
Let's
that's to mix
try.
dough, but I don't know. You probably did mix other things with it.
I don't know. So let's try it again. Oh, I'm in too. Oh, char.
Mix up your eggs and everything, huh?
Yeah, egg with scrambled egg. Or I can make nani. I can bake nani.
Oh,
Wow. Charang. So, ito lang guys. Ito yung ano na. Patay. Remove natin to. Charang. So, ayan. Dalawa siya. Ay. Tag dalawa. Yay! So, yun lang ang surprise niya sa akin. Surprise, he never tell me, the
No.
surprise. That's why it's surprise.
that's what it's
So, yun na guys. Charing. Charing. Charing, charing. So, yun na, ibalik na natin. Let's put this back.
That guy never responded on the newspaper.
No?
Uh-uh.
Hmm. Charing. So, meron na akong mixer today. Hand mixer. Ito ang gusto ko. Hand mixer lang. Yan. Ayan na siya, oh. Ito yun siya, guys. Oh. Ito yung brand niya. Ang ganda niya. Ayan. 7 speed. So, hanggang 7 speed siya, guys. Ayan. So, yun lang. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So, yun lang.
Okie doke.
Okay, dokie. Maybe tomorrow.
Maybe tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Oh. Nana. Oh. So, hindi mo na yung pagkano. Oh.
Are you going to keep that in the cupboard?
Yeah, it's inside in
Okay.
here. I got over there. Oh.
Okay. Surprise!
Surprise! Char. Tarang.